This video from Sharp Power, we're taking a look at the power save mode on the XEA202, 212 and 301 registers. So this video, obviously I'm using the 202, but you can use the same principles and apply it to your 301 or your 212. Keyboard's slightly different on those machines, but the principles apply the same. What will also be useful for you is I've previously shown you how to escape the power save mode. In this video we're going to show you how to program it and adjust it. So as default on the register, it's got 30 minutes before it goes into a power save. So that's 30 minutes of inactivity. You can either disable that, you can shorten that, or you can lengthen it. I'm getting this information from page 47 of the manual. There's a flow chart at the bottom of there. So if you maybe look at the manual and follow the video, it'll kind of make sense that I'm not just making up a load of random button presses. Okay, so the first thing to do is to turn the MA key. So you need the MA key in the machine, and you need to turn it around to the PGM position. Then you press the hash TMST button here. P's displayed, just confirm you're in the programming mode, and then to enter the power save mode programming, you type in 10 and then the multiply button. And then if you're looking at the manual, you can now see this. Basically I need to type in certain number of digits for the values of A, B, C and D. If you're not looking at the flow chart, you'd wonder what I'm talking about, but in this video I'll show you how to adjust it to 2 minutes. Should make sense. So the first A is always 0, always defaulted to 0, and then the next 3 digits are effectively the time, which you can set to a maximum of 254 minutes by typing in 254, or you can set it to 1 minute. In this video we're going to do it to 2 minutes, so that will be 002. If you typed in 999 at that point instead of 002, that would disable the power save mode, so it would never go into power save. So if you want to disable the power save, where I've just typed in 002, type in 999. So your total key presses would have been TMST 10 multiply 0999. Whatever you've typed in now, whether you're disabling it or setting it to a different time, you now press TMST to save, and then TLNS to leave the program. Turn the key back round to reg. What I'm going to do is I'm going to carry on talking for a couple of minutes, not just randomly like about the tills, but we should notice they've done it correctly. Once 2 minutes has passed on from now, we should get the till going into the power save mode, which basically the display goes off and you get a little dot or decimal point appear on the display. So you notice there that when I've finished the programming, it's printed out on the receipt program 10, because that's the number of the address of the power save programming, and then the 0002 the 4 digits are typed in, which I've got from the flow chart on page 47. So that represents my 2 minutes, because the first entry, the 0, is the entering power save mode when time is displayed yes, which is the default setting, so you leave that at 0, and then the last 3 digits are the time. So I've gone for 2 minutes, which is 002. As I said, you can have that at any setting from 001 for 1 minute, or up to 254 for 254 minutes, or alternatively you could have typed in 999, which would disable the power save mode. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off now. So I hope that video has been helpful. You can watch it to the end to see the till go into the power save, which will happen in a minute or so. What we're doing at Sharp Help is the 202 is quite an old model, but it's still really popular. We get a lot of questions on it. People frustrated that we've got loads of videos on all the new current ranges of Sharp tills. So if a new Sharp model comes out today, we do like 100 videos on it showing you how every single feature of the machine, how to do all the programming. Obviously on the 202, when it was out, YouTube wasn't really a thing. So there's either no videos, or there's like really old ones which are like terrible that show you one thing. So little by little, I'll be going through the 202 and showing you all the different functions of it. So if you like that, if that's useful to you, please subscribe, because obviously the more subscribers I get, the more it's worthwhile doing these videos. You can also obviously check out all the other videos. I'll set up playlists for the programming, reports and operation of these machines. I'm trying to do them on as many of the old Sharp tills as possible. So yeah, or you'll find more information at sharkhelp.co.uk. Thanks very much for watching.